Alright guys, welcome back. For those who are new to the channel, my name's Ashley. I've got a Mk2 Escort that I'm currently learning to drift in, and a Mk1 Fiesta. I've not posted a video up in a few weeks because I kind of lost the motivation for the cars. Even though I was all hyped up after the drift event, I kind of just went downhill and haven't had the motivation really. So if you could all do us all a favour and just smash the like button and comment, because I like it when you guys comment. It gives me motivation to get up here and sort it out and do bits. If you haven't seen the video from the Rockingham Drift Day, I'll put a link up above here somewhere. And the plan today really is to try and make some new door cards, because I've got a big bit of alloy over there that a friend gave me, and yeah, just to tidy them up and go from there. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, I just pulled this door card off, and look at this. Don't know if you can see, hopefully you're able to see in there. Is the camera going to fit in there? Oh, no, let me try this hole. Ooh! Got a bit of a hole at the bottom of the door. Yeah, I mean, I knew the doors were rusty. So yeah, that's a job on the list, I suppose, for one day when I get bored. Oh, all falling apart. Yeah, I guess the windowsill is not doing a very good job. I guess it's been out for a few years. You can say they rust like that overnight. Right guys, skip forward a little few hours. I didn't actually record doing the first one, but basically all I've done, for anyone that wants to know, is place this down here. Hopefully I can see that. I basically just put the door card on the metal. I actually used a rivet to just basically go around it, leave a mark, cut it out with a hacksaw. I cut it out with a hacksaw, and basically I ended up with that. Hopefully you can see that. I rounded the edges off, drilled some holes, and put a square in it. I'll show you what it fits like. Let me just set the camera up. Basically, that'll sit like that. Come out pretty well. I got a piece of an old seat belt. I'll find a clean bit, and I was going to just make like a loop and then rivet that onto like that maybe, just so as a door handle. The open will be there, window wind will be there, and that's it really. Well, that's a quick about 7 minutes I think I spent doing that. Compared to the other side, it's much better. I mean, there's still some marks, but they're like proper gouges. I might spend another 5 minutes doing it just to tidy it up a little bit. But yeah, happy with that. Alright guys, well, I have finished one. It took a bit longer than I was expecting, to be honest, but it's only getting there, so I probably won't get them all done today, but I mean, I'll see what I can do. But here's one pretty much done. It's come out pretty well, to be fair. So yeah, it doesn't rattle or nothing. It's pretty solid. that goes through to the door as well. So that's actually riveted onto the door, actual door as well. Yeah, it works as it should do. Yeah, that'll probably be all of the video today, unless I can think of some things on the Fiesta. But yeah, so if it is the end of the video, if you could all smash the like button and give us some motivation to come up here more and leave some comments, that'd be great. Yeah, just make sure you got the little bell icon clicked, otherwise when I post the videos up you don't actually see the notification, so just so you don't miss the videos. Yeah, and cheers for that, and I'll see you later.